Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new Valorant video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get the Riot body. So basically the Riot body is basically pretty simple, which if you go on collection and let's go to simply our guns. So let's go for Vondo and we want two bodies over here. So if I click on bodies, let me just load. So here, the bodies. If you went to them, you will find a body that looks like the logo of Riot Games. So basically, how you can get that body? Can you buy it from the store? No. Can you buy it from like a battle pass? No, you can't really get it from either of these, and you can't really buy it, guys. You can't really pay to get it. The only way to actually get it, and as you can see here, which is that's how it looks in the game. So this is the right game body. So in order to actually get it, you will have to meet a rioter or like a Riot employee in action. So he will not ask you to buy from him. He will not ask you for any information about your account. Just when you demonstrate that you are a good sportsmanship while in a match with the right employee, and for example, you were playing with the right employee and you did a great job, you were so good, you were so polite and behaving so well, that means there is a chance for you to actually get the right body. And actually, guys, if you ever met somebody that tells you that to offer you like to sell a Riot Gun body, that means that this person is trying to scam you guys, as the Riot Games have announced. So don't get scammed, guys. You can't really get this Riot Gun buddy unless you've met a Riot employee inside of a game and he watches you in action and he mostly likes your gameplay and etc. And he will give you this Riot Games buddy by the end of the time. So yeah, guys, this is the only way to get the Riot Gun buddy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.